Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to back up on Android. So first of all, go for your settings on your Android, then scroll down. You can see a Google option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now in this list you can see a backup option here. Click on it. Now you can see I have this turn on, this backup by Google one, and so many apps and videos, all things are backup here. Okay, if you wanna backup with data, mobile data, then you can turn on this slider on. So I don't wanna with the data, I'm just with the Wi-Fi connection. You can see here. So yeah, you can back up with this option here on the settings, Google option. So that's it. This is how you can back up on Android. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.